Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Chevy's 88 to 98 K1500. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank, for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. Remove the lower shock bolt and begin punching out the rivets retaining the rear spring hanger. Finally, remove the rear crossmember bolt from the bottom of the rail. Step 5. Hold the part up to the frame and mark off its coverage. Begin cleaning the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Step 6. With the included hardware and a 15mm socket and wrench, bolt the part to the frame to ensure proper alignment and weld spacing. Step 7. Begin welding the part to the frame. Followed by reinstalling your spring hanger with the included hardware. And you're done.